my first time going.
First time to Sahara mo.
It's my first time riding this.
Lola is not feeling well. Feeling well na ngayon si Lola.
Papa, this is my first time riding this.
We are here at the mall. No need to walk. Sakay na kami kasi
It's my
gutom na.
first time riding this.
Wow. First time riding this, nagganito ka na sa Cove, di ba, kuya? Saan? Lahat masarap. Gazebo. Bube ni Joshua. Bube. There, bye-bye.
I'm riding this in the mall.
Court nila, no?
Wow, ang ganda naman dito.
Ganda na mga court nila, oh.
Ang ganda naman. Restaurant.
Lego! Lego!
Uy, mga laruan pala yun.
Uy!
Ay, ma, oh.
Let's flashing!
Gala tayo, ma, oh. 10, 20, 30 lang, oh. Si Caleb parang...
Kenny!
Uy, that's Novo, Papa. That's our cinema now. Novo Cinema. Maraming dinosaur, Caleb, oh. Look, there's too many dinosaurs. There, yeah, there.
I
Dinosaurs.
want to.
Pwede ka ride dyan.
Dinosaur pet.
Meron kayo dito. Hindi tayo tongkat.
No,
Ang
Mom!
laki na nakaran.
It's not the dinosaur.
Okay.
It's the
Ay, look,
dinosaur.
Caleb. You will see something, Caleb. Look. Look at that. Ay, ito dinosaur.
Sumasakay.
Parking kasi natin malayo.
Oo nga.
Next time, dapat sa malapit. Look at that. The dinosaur is moving.
The dinosaur.
There's Toys R Us. Oh, you did not see it, Caleb. Oh, this is the food court. We're here. We're gonna eat na. Bye-bye.
Sahara Center closes at 11.
Say bye-bye, Caleb. Caleb.
Bye-bye.
Bye.